This is a video of a Mr. Cool 18,000 BTU that I installed yesterday. I just got her on, and well, I had it on yesterday a little bit. It's 93 outside in the shade, 68 degrees in here. This is almost a 1,200 square foot house, and it's pretty neat. Right there is the wall unit. I just got it kind of roughed in. It's working. I ran the wire to the condenser outside up through there, and down through the line down, goes all the way out. I mean, that's this fan, or this whatever you call this here, goes up and down. It also heats. If it heats, it'll go down. I believe you can adjust it. It's got Wi-Fi and all that, and it's running right now if you can hear it in the video, but it's quiet and pretty cool. I'll go outside here and show you. This is a house in remodel. As you can see, we got junk everywhere, but I'm working on the outside for right now to get that all done before winter. Yeah, had to fix the foundation, but right here it is outside, and I just got it wrapped in. I'm going to cover that up. I got foam board I'm putting on the outside here, so I might have to figure out how to work that in there. Here's the drain tube right here where the water coming out of the condenser. Works pretty good. It was pouring out there when I first started it, but it doesn't look like it's pouring out now, so must have got most of the moisture out. Actually, there's water on the outside of this tube, so I don't know what that means. I think I might have some adjustment on the drain tube there. Glad I checked that out there. So anyway, this is the Mr. Cool that I have installed. It wasn't too hard. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.